I will do the stem using herringbone stitch. Very simple. Just pick it up from here a little bit and from this side again. I have used 3 strands of brown thread. Simple herringbone stitch to fill up the stem. Like this, I am going to fill up the stem. For the leaf, I am going to use 2 different shades of green. For this part, I am going to do satin stitch. Just the filling in stitch I am going to do for this part. Don't leave too much space between 2 stitches. Simple satin stitch for filling in this part. After completing this inner portion with satin stitch, I am going to do this part using buttonhole stitch. I have taken a darker shade of green. Just the thread round the needle. That's all. For this also, do not leave too much gap between 2 stitches. That's all. This is how you are going to do this part of the leaf. The thread round the needle and pull up the needle. That's all. This is how we are going to complete this part. For doing these lines inside the flower, I am using a light blue thread and I am going to do stem stitch, simple stem stitch for all these lines. Try and take small stitches. The thread should be on your left hand side. This way I will do all the lines. First I am going to complete all these lines using simple stem stitch. After completing the stem stitch, now in between these 2 lines and on top of each line also, we are going to do bullion stitch. Just pick up the needle like this and take the thread round the needle at least 16 times. Not too tight. Don't make it too tight. Just pull the needle through the stitches very gently. Don't make it too tight. And put the needle down. That's all. Again, I will pick it up from here. I have taken white thread, put the needle say around 16 times, not too tight. Then pull the needle, and fix it over here. That's all. After completing these stitches, I will do the center of the flower using French knot. Just take the thread round the needle 4 times and just put it down. That's all. And I am going to fill up this center using the same stitch. Just 4 rounds would be enough. I have taken white thread and I am using 3 strands of thread. Just put it down. This way I am going to complete this embroidery and fill up this center using the same stitch, the French knot stitch. 4 times would be enough. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.